The following is a transmission from the Cyclop Council of Enlightened Beings. It's channeled by 𝐒𝐮𝐤𝐲 Divine. Please enjoy.
Dear humans, as you expand your consciousness, your reality changes. Your reality takes on your level of consciousness. In other words, if you wish to experience an external world that is peaceful and harmonious, with its people living, working, and playing together while respecting each other's values, then you must be that too. It all begins with you, first and foremost. This is how you will create unity for your planet. It is not about controlling others who do not have the same views as you. Ultimately, all humans who vibrate at the same frequency will naturally come together on the same planet, coexisting in a shared vision of Earth aligned with their frequencies. It is imperative to remember to be that which you desire to experience. Examine the areas in your life that do not currently match the vision of Earth you desire, and ask yourself, what can I do to change this part of me to vibrate at the frequency that is more aligned with the vision of the new Earth I have in mind? You will receive the answer. Then take action as guided. Record this so it is clear to you what steps you are to take. Be disciplined in your approach to making these changes in your life, as this determines how quickly you will begin to experience your new Earth that many of you dream of. Focusing on the chaos and conflicts you witness only draws more of them into your external reality. What you put out, positive or negative, is what you create for the world, and that is what you get to experience in return. Each day, begin with the intention that you create only good and positive energies for yourself, humanity, and the planet, and that you experience the same in return. Leave consciously in every moment. Make immediate adjustments to any negativity you put out, whether in your thoughts, feelings, words, or actions. In a short time, you will see that you are a more positive person with a positive attitude and personality. This will change your external world drastically. Energies of the same frequency move together in harmony, like a dance. We know you prefer to dance to the tune of higher frequency. You get to choose the frequency, so choose well and dance in the energies you create. We leave you now. Adonai.
𝐿